Hello there, today I'll be showing you how to send pictures in Character AI, and this is how to do it. Let us begin by opening your online browser, clicking the URL box and typing www.character.ai. Then press enter on your keyboard and wait for the page to load. Ensure that you are logged into your account after the website loads. Therefore, after the page has fully loaded, you should choose a character to chat with. You can choose any character, and once you do, you will notice that sending pictures to the character isn't usually an option. You can only send text messages. Do not worry. Though I will walk you through the simple steps of sending photos or pictures to characters in Character AI. To accomplish this, first ensure that you have chosen a character. Then once you are on a page similar to this, locate the URL box at the top. Now, wait for the page to reload. When it does, you will notice a plus icon in the text box left corners. You can send pictures or images to your character by clicking on this plus sign, which will reveal a little menu. As you can see, you can now also make images using your character's AI and send those to them. And there you have it. That is how to send pictures in Character AI. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.